It is 1 month since the explosions in Lebanon, which had fatal and devastating consequences. UNICEF responded rapidly to replenish destroyed supplies to help children and their families. We have delivered 67 tons of essential humanitarian supplies in 18 shipments. Health interventions were critical, including medical and surgical kits. Right now, we are packing surgical kits for Lebanon here in Copenhagen, where we have the largest humanitarian warehouse in the world. At the same time, COVID-19 infections are going up, so we have shipped lots of protective equipment for healthcare workers, including more than 3.5 million medical masks and 2.6 million pairs of gloves and other life-saving supplies. I'm grateful to our generous donors for helping us get more supplies to Lebanon in a shorter time. The government of Belgium donated air transport of emergency items from our warehouse here in Copenhagen. Emirates Airlines donated flights to transport supplies for health workers' safety. Our UNICEF colleagues on the ground are working around the clock to improve the situation, despite their families and houses being affected. Together, we can help children in Lebanon and everywhere.